Hello, Accelerated Math 7-8 students. We are still working in Module 11, and we are starting Lesson 5, and it's called Drawing Parallelograms and Triangles, and this can be found on page 73 of my comp book. Here is page 73. Drawing Parallelograms and Triangles. Our goal for today is, today we are going to use different tools to draw parallelograms and triangles. The question that I need you to think about during today's lesson is, what is your favorite tool to use to draw geometric shapes? What is your favorite tool? We have talked about the protractor, we have talked about the ruler, we've talked about the compass, and we've talked about the set square. And so your job is to decide which one is your favorite when we're drawing all of these different types of shapes. One thing that we're going to do today is we're going to make a set square so that you all have one, and then I will show you how it works. Some things that you need to know are we use tools to draw different shapes. Tools can also be used to prove certain shapes, and a set square is used to draw and prove parallel lines. And so that's the reason why we're going to be making one in class today, is because you're actually going to use the set square to determine if the lines are actually parallel or not. Okay? You're also going to use the set square to help you draw something that is connected to parallel lines. So some things that I want you to think about. You may not have an answer yet, because we actually have to try it, and obviously we can't try it until we build the tool. But things I want you to be thinking about, what shapes can be made from parallel lines? So if you have a set of parallel lines, what shapes could be made? So remember, parallel lines are lines that run exactly equal distance from each other in both directions. So if you have a set that are going this way, and then you have another set that intersect and go this way, is there a shape that's created by my fingers when I did that? That's what I want you to visualize. Okay? What shape can be made from a rectangle or a square? So if we took those parallel lines that I was hinting at, and we created a rectangle by having them intersect, is there another shape, once we have that rectangle or that square made, that can be formed from there? Okay, this is throwing back to 6th grade. Hopefully you guys are catching my little questions that I'm alluding to. And then you could also go back to the title. That could give you the answer with that. How do you know if a shape is identical? Okay, we're going to talk about that when we actually draw them. And then the last thing that I want you to do, and you actually have to wait until we get into class when you have your set square, is I would like you to draw a shape that we talked about up above with your set square, and then I want to know, can you turn it into a triangle? All right, so there's not a lot of notes that we really actually have to practice yet, because we need to have all of our tools. So it's really important that you bring your protractor, your ruler, and your compass for sure. If you have a set square, that would be awesome if you could bring that too. But if not, we will make one. And then once we have all of our tools available and present, then we'll be able to answer these questions of these notes. So our goal for today we are going to use different tools to draw parallelograms and triangles. Did we actually do it through the notes yet? No, but we will when we have all of our tools. The question still remains, what is your favorite tool to use to draw geometric shapes? You will be able to answer this, because these tools that we're starting to use are pretty fun. And that's all that I have for you today. All right, see you in class. Bye.